Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. I'm trying to bring them back here and there. At least once a week, I'm trying to bring you a fun cocktail from our fun libation library here at Aroma Time. So today I'm going to be making cold brew fizz. We were just up at Cooper's Daughter yesterday. If you have not checked out Cooper's Daughter, they are making some really awesome stuff up there. This is their cacao maple vodka. This is their black walnut liqueur. They are pretty much growing or buying local all of the ingredients that they are using in their products. So really awesome place up in Claverack, New York, up near Hudson, New York, right outside. I think it's less than 10 minutes. So you are looking for a day drive. They're open on Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays. Outside, they have a tasting room. You can taste. They have cocktails. Really cool barn. It was an old cooperage. They still are making barrels there. So really cool place. So Courtney, Sebastian, Marcus, and I took a ride up there yesterday, checking out and making relationships like we love to build with the people that we buy from. So that was really cool. So thank you everybody for joining me. I really appreciate it. It is Thursday night. It is jazz night. So we have jazz live tonight. I hear there's someone really cool coming to play the piano tonight. I don't really know much about him, but supposedly some guy who is really good is coming by tonight to play. Jazz starts at 7 o'clock. Mark your calendars because John Thyme will be here in August. I believe it's the 17th and the 24th. If you don't know about John Thyme is the person who started jazz here at Aroma Time over 15 years ago. His piano is what sits in front of the door, and that is his piano. He bought that, put it here, bought it especially to play here at Aroma Time. And he's no longer playing here on a weekly basis, but he will be home from Florida. He lives in Florida full time now, sold his house here and moved with his wife down to Florida. But he promised he would be back to play, and he's coming back on the 17th and 24th, which I think are both Thursdays of August. So mark your calendars and come on in and celebrate John Thyme's short return. But we are super excited about that. Let's see, this weekend we are open. We have live music on Saturday night. Adele and Jeremy will be playing. They start at 7 o'clock. And Albie isn't back until August. I think August 11th Albie is back. And then we have Adele and Jeremy again in August. Stay tuned for our lobster bake or our crawfish boil. We'll announce those dates shortly here. Yeah, we've been having a busy summer so far, trying to stay cool and dry because it's been very wet and humid out there. So come on into Aroma Time, come have a drink, have a cocktail, come check out our really cool bar that we have. We'd love to have you. So today I'm going to be making a cold brew fizz. So I'm going to start with some espresso. I'm sorry, I don't have any cold brew, but the recipe calls for cold brew from anywhere. You just use any cold brew, but I am just going to use espresso because I don't have any cold brew. I'm going to be using the black walnut liqueur from Cooper's Daughter, so about 1.5 ounces of that. We're going to use about 1 ounce of the cacao maple vodka. So I got to tell you, these both are really good just by themselves. But we're going to put about 1 ounce in, and we are going to shake that on up. So when we were up at Cooper's Daughter, they gave us some really cool recipes. So I'll be trying a bunch of things. We're going to shake that on up. I'm going to put it in a martini glass, but you could probably put it in a tall boy glass. Kind of cool. So let's see how it looks. And we are going to top it off with a little bit of seltzer, which is soda. So give it some fizz. And I have made this vegan whipped cream. So look how good that looks. Which I'm really excited about because I've been trying some new dessert recipes, and I think this is going to make a really good dessert. I think that it tastes good. It's really delicious, and I'm going to make a new dessert come on the menu next week sometime. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to put a dollop of the whipped cream on top and a couple of espresso beans. And there you have it, a cold brew fizz. So, little pick-me-up, right? Little pick-me-up here. Really nice. Cold brew fizz. So, we have cold brew, which I use espresso, so you could probably use just coffee. Black walnut liqueur and cacao maple vodka from Cooper's Daughter, a little soda water, and I capped it off with this vegan whipped cream that I made. So I'm going to take a picture of it. So I'm not going to drink too much of it. I'm not going to mix it up until after, but I'm sure this is absolutely delicious. Really, really good. Really great drink. So thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Please tag a friend, drop a comment, leave me a comment, and we hope to see you here at Aroma Time Bistro soon. Have a wonderful day.